This is how you use the Side Sleeping Pro correctly. Arrange the pillows at the head of the bed and then push them together. Insert your arm and shoulder into the gap between the two pillows, and then whilst looking into the pillow, place your chin within the letterbox hole. Make sure your ear is within the hole as well. For additional comfort, you may need to push the pillow up with your shoulder, or indeed push it down to stop it from pressing on the front of your neck. To prevent pins and needles, cross your arms like this. You may wish to sleep in the skydiver or Superman position, but do make sure that the area around the side of the forehead takes on the full support of the head and that no weight is applied to the front of the neck. The purpose of the Side Sleeping Pro is to allow you to sleep in the recovery position without pain in your shoulder, ear, or hip. If you are in the right position, your mouth will be gently closed with no pressure applied to the front of your neck, and your face should be pointing down into the letterbox hole so that your tongue and palate can roll forward, allowing you to breathe through your nose. If you are having any problems using the Side Sleeping Pro, please do not hesitate to contact me via the email or my newsletter, and I will do my very best to help you remedy the situation. Thank you very much for watching.